Hype girl. We're going zip lining. Auntie Jean's coming with me. There's the thing. Oh, sorry. Oh. Hello! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh, sa taas? Beautiful view. Hi! Oh my god! We're having lunch here at what is this place called? No, Daniel's. This is the view that you get when you have lunch here. It's beautiful. Hi, Angelo, smile for the camera. Smile. Cheese. Here we are at the hanging bridge.
I'm gonna cross the hanging bridge.
My aunt is vlogging as well.
We're now trying to cross the hanging bridge.
Oh, Stephen, look at you. Let's see how far up we are. Can't really see. Look at Auntie, she's moonwalking. Oh, let's see. How deep. It's not that bad. Oh.